Okay, so I just had to see if the mic would work, and it just worked. So yeah, today I am going to be building something. It's called an ultralight aircraft. I think. Yeah, it's called that. This is suggested by Diamond Aesthetic. If you wanna go look at his channel, that's fine. I forgot which video it's on. It's on the video about me showcasing my biplane. Check him out if you want. Please like and subscribe to him. I mean, he would probably like it, so you can do that. I have built an ultralight aircraft once on accident. I didn't even know that's what it was called. Also, I built this last night, I think. Yeah. Wait, why is there no sounds? So this is a T-wing fighter from Star Wars, and it only works in zero gravity. Game, I would like to go forward. Why? I'm going to attempt to build an ultralight aircraft. Wait, no, I have to do a tutorial. Because that's what he wanted. Well, crap. Well, this is for you, Diamond, I guess. This is going to be a tutorial, not me trying to make, well, I mean, it's going to be me trying to make one, but whatever. So, it's going to be really small. I mean, you never specified its size, so I'm going to guess you want, like, a small one? And if I'm wrong, if you want a different one, sure, I'll make a different one, I don't mind. So you can just comment in the comments below if you want a bigger one, or if you want a different tutorial for, like, a different kind. I mean, whatever floats your boat. Let's see. Oh, wait, that was a perfect optical. Wait, no, it wasn't. Okay, there's nothing going to be complicated about this. I mean, I didn't even know this was going to be a tutorial. I totally forgot. But now it is. So, I'm going to name this video a tutorial for an ultralight aircraft. Yeah, it's not going to be complicated, but yeah, there's no buts. Just, I don't think it's going to be complicated for you guys. You know, I'm going to make it slim. I'm not going to make it chunky. I don't want to make it chunky. Who wants a chunky aircraft? Not me. I mean, I don't think I'm going to be talking much in this video. Mainly because it's, I don't know. Delete those two up there. Sorry for that. Do they have closed or open cabin? Some of them are open, but some of them are closed. I'm gonna do closed. I guess. Now, if you want an open cabin to where, like, it's, like, opened up, so you can, like, see inside of it. Yeah, I'll do that for you guys, if you want. Again, I'm not gonna do it if you guys don't want it, so. I mean, I think I got this. Doesn't seem too hard, from what I know. Yeah, that looks pretty solid. Get a half block on top right there. So that's basically going to be the body part. Now, this next part is going to be the top wing, and then the last thing I'm going to do is build like the back part. So, Yeah, we're gonna... How close up is it to the front? It's like right behind the windshield. So right about there, but that doesn't look right. I'm gonna do it though. I need to render my videos to make them look better. I really do. In my next video. This video, it's not because I totally forgot how. I have no clue. Like, I honestly have no clue how to render my videos. Actually, wait, I do. I have one clue. No, not really. I'm gonna make a video. I went looking for a tutorial on how to make, locked motors turn to, like, something, how to merge, you could say, how to merge wings together, merge blocks together. A lot of people don't know how, because there's no tutorials for it. So I'm gonna be showing you guys in the next video on how to do that. But for now, I'm just gonna show you guys how to do this, one at a time. And yeah, there's a good chance you guys are probably going to know how to build something way better than this. Because, I mean, that's how people are. No, why are you bullying me? This is going to have to be a block. I don't want it to be a block. I don't know why, I just don't. What is that? Okay. Alright, Panhead, your time is up. It's a pretty small build. So, are these things electric? No, they're not, but I don't know. I want to put the fan in the back. I don't know if I should, though. I mean, would it look good at the front? Actually, for realistic stuff, wait, do these things only have... There's 2 right there. 3, 2, 3, I think. 3, 3, 2, 2. Wait, nope. Yeah, 2. I'm gonna do 1 landing gear. Sounds horrible, but 1 landing gear at the front, none at the back, should be good. Tiny, yes. You know what? It's up to you guys. If you want landing gear, keep it with just a half block there. If you... Wait, no. If you don't want landing gear, keep it as a half block. If you do... You know what? Okay, let me paint it. It's like my favorite color combination. It looks weird without outlines. Okay. This should work. I mean... Oh my goodness, 180? Bro, okay, I wanted it to be fast, but oh my goodness, I didn't know it was gonna be this fast. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I mean, let me just give you a quick landing. I think I said that right. That was not a good landing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a good day. Like, subscribe if you want. And bye. If that sounded mean, I'm sorry.